Why Dubai is leading the charge in luxury real estate design. Picture this, a city rising from the desert with futuristic skyscrapers piercing the sky, luxurious villas floating on the water, and private islands where the world's most affluent call home. This is not a science fiction. It's Dubai, a place where the world's imagination meets reality. And the future of luxury real estate is being written right before our eyes. Hello everyone, I'm Chanchal here and welcome back to our channel Unique Zone Real Estate. Dubai isn't just a city, it's a global phenomenon. Over the last decade, Dubai's luxury real estate market has exploded in ways we have never seen before. It's leading the charge with innovations in design, architecture, and technology that have set new standards globally. And it's not just talk. Dubai is proving itself with numbers. According to global property reports, the UAE's real estate sector is experiencing unparalleled growth, with luxury properties seeing annual prices increases of up to 20%. No other city in the world can match this kind of demand of ultra luxury properties. Why is Dubai thriving? It's because of its unparalleled commitment to pushing the limits of architectural design. In Dubai, architects are not just building homes, they are creating masterpieces. The Burj Khalifa, it's not just the tallest building in the world. It's a symbol of Dubai's ability to turn ambitious dream into reality. And that's just the beginning. Dubai's waterfront properties are redefining what luxury means. From man-made islands like the Palm Jumeirah to the future Dubai Creek Tower, set to become the tallest tower in the world. Dubai continues to innovate and break records in real estate design. Imagine living in a private villa that's surrounded by the world's most luxurious shopping, dining, and entertainment options. This is the reality Dubai offers. But it's not just about the stunning views or the cutting edge of designs. What truly sets Dubai's luxury properties apart is how they blend luxury with the technology. The homes here are smart homes, from artificial intelligence systems that control everything from your lighting to climate to advanced security systems that provide peace of mind. Dubai's luxury homes are built to be as functional as they are beautiful. Dubai is ahead of the curve with sustainability as well. Eco-friendly homes are on the rise, incorporating solar power, green roofs, and energy-efficient building materials. This forward-thinking approach to sustainability ensures that Dubai's luxury real estate isn't just impressive, it's also future-ready. Now, as Dubai continues to shape the future of luxury living, Unique Zone Real Estate is at the forefront of this revolution. With their in-depth market knowledge and unmatched access to the city's most exclusive properties, Unique Zone helps buyers navigate the complexities of Dubai's luxury real estate market. Whether you are interested in purchasing a penthouse with panoramic views of the city, a beachfront villa in the heart of the Palm Jumeirah, or a sleek modern apartment in the heart of Dubai Marina, Unique Zone Real Estate offers you exclusive access to the most sought-after properties Dubai has to offer. But it's not just about finding a property. It's about making an investment in a city that continues to break records and create opportunities. When you work with Unique Zone, you are not just purchasing a luxury property, you are securing a legacy, an asset that will only grow in value in one of the world's most dynamic and rapidly evolving markets. And the future of Dubai's real estate market looks even brighter. With mega projects like the Dubai Creek Tower and the Dubai Harbour set to be completed in the coming years, there has never been a better time to invest. Dubai is positioning itself to remain the global leader in luxury real estate, designed for the decades to come. So, if you're ready to make your move into one of the world's most exclusive real estate markets, Unique Zone Real Estate is here to help. Let's find your perfect luxury home in Dubai and secure your place in the future of luxury living. Your dream home is just one call away.